Welcome to my channel. In this video that I'm going to talk about checkboxes and how to use those checkboxes in your application. Yeah, create one application project, checkboxes, and then do finished, and you just go to your main package, create new C frame form, checkbox, and checkbox is one user control that we use to check some condition or something that you want. And user checkbox is, previously what you learn is radio button is used to select only one option, but in checkbox you can select multiple options at a time. And like in, I think you already know, in some application or some project that they are using checkboxes for multiple selection of your options. So today that we're going to work on that. And just what you need to do is just select this panel, and just how to select this panel and how to do work on this. I think you already visited my previous videos, and if you are not visiting my videos, then go and see how it works and what is the use of panel, right? That I'm going to take this color, and then in this, that what I'm going to use is the label to type something here, to add something, that is checkboxes in Java. And I'm gonna make it large in size, so that I need to change font size 36, and I want to change the background. No, I don't need background, just I want to change foreground color, that is text color. And I just want to give border for this, and I'll select my border as line border, and I'll give value here as 3, and it looks like this. Yeah, and then that I need checkboxes, so I'm going to use here one panel, right? In this panel I'm gonna give border for this, so 3 2, and I want to give it rounded border, and I want to finish it. And in this I want to take checkboxes, like why we use checkboxes. There are many things, right? That among these things that I want to use checkboxes, and this is checkbox, right? Yeah, and I want to change this font size, and I will increase the font size to 24, and I will write here juice. Instead of that, what I will write is apple, control C, control V, then control C, control V, paste it, and here just type banana. What do you like, guys? What is your favorite fruit? And mango, orange. So there are many fruits that you can like. So among these, you need to select one, and at last, that what I want to give here is just I want to take one checkbox, and I want to write here something. I accept the terms and condition of of dot 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 something dot, right? and then you'll get one button at last, submit. Submit, right? If you want to change font size, just go to properties and change font size to some values and to finish. And then that what we can check here is now how to get these values, right? For the first time that we're going to run it, how it looks, and then we will move for coding section, right? Yeah, apple, banana, mango, orange, and I accept term and condition, then submit. Yeah, there's because we haven't write any code for this, that's why it's not displaying any message here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to write some code, and before going to do that, just we need to give here name app for, oh, you just need to give variable name. A for apple, B for ball. These are the variables. It is very important while you are coding. You need these things. Just remember that. And M for mango, and O for orange. You know, like when you are trying to access this text or these checkboxes, that you need these things, and this is condition, C for condition. And when I'm submitting these things, you need display, right? So that you go to submit button, right click on it and go to events, and then go to action perform, then it will navigate to your code section, and inside this function you need to write, right? Now what you need to take is if what first thing apple dot is selected, this is boolean, right? If it is true only, then what you going to do is just we going to do is we want to take one string buffer class to store all values. Yes, we and new string buffer, this one class that is used to store multiple values. That what we're going to do is, then if it is true, then we want to append that values. sp dot append, you can append values from where you just need to take from a dot get text. So not action, that what we're going to do is a dot get text, right? Finish it, and then check for all. If next banana B is selected, then you can add sp dot append, and then here what you want to do is you can add some space here, plus comma and plus, then you want to do button dot get text. Yeah, your initially you don't need plus, right? Then if mango M is selected, then you're gonna add sp dot append comma, because you need separated by comma those things, that's why you are using the here comma and M dot get text. If then what you want to check, if at last orange dot is selected, then sb dot append and give here and plus o dot get text. Yeah, that's fine. And at last, thus you need to print this with output system.out.println and then print sp, and then next system.out.println, then next term and condition c dot get text. When you need to print this, if c dot is selected, then only you need to print this. So Ctrl X and then paste it here. Yeah, it's fine. Now run your program or download application. Now it will work, right? We are using string buffer class here to store your all data, because you need to store those all data in your data structure, then you need to print out, right? Before that, in your output console there's nothing in your output console. Now if you submit this, nothing it will print, right? If you are taking apple, it will print apple here, right? You are not clicking on option I accept the terms and conditions, that's why it is not printing. Now you are clicking on apple and terms and condition, now it will print both, right? If you are clicking for banana, it will print apple, banana and terms and condition. If you're clicking for all these things, that it's going to print everything, right? So that then we run it again, then we'll get to know how it works. You know, like previously that I showed by clicking one by one, but now what I'm going to do is apple, banana, mango, orange. I like everything, I mean all fruits I like. That's why I'm checking all those fruits, and then I accept this terms and condition, and then I'm going to submit these things, then it will print everything. See, here is printing apple, banana, mango and orange. Yeah, there is no space, that's why it's printing. So that we need to give here space and here space, then it will print the exact output, right? Yeah, okay. Now click on apple, banana, mango, orange and accept term and condition and see the output. Submit. Now see, we are getting here apple, banana, mango and orange. Accept term and condition for something. Yeah, this is how it works in your application. So if you want to check something, then you use checkboxes